Unit 2. Let's play. Listening and speaking. He, she, his, her by Madam Haswani. Hi, Assalamualaikum. Today we are going to focus on the use of he, she, his, her. He, she, dia.
Listen.
How old is he? How old is he? He is 7 years old. How old is she? How old is she? She is 6 years old. How old is he? How old is he? He is 11 years old. How old is she? How old is she? She is 12 years old.
How old is he? Berapakah umur dia? He's 7. Dia 7 tahun. We use he to refer to male. Kita menggunakan he yang bermaksud dia untuk merujuk kepada lelaki. How old is she? Berapakah umur dia? She's 6. Dia 6 tahun. We use she to refer to female. Kita menggunakan she yang bermaksud dia untuk merujuk kepada perempuan. His, her, nya.
Her name's May.
May. Her name's May. His name's Peter. Her name's May. Hello. What's his name? His name is... His name's Gogo. What's his name? What's his name?
His name's Peter. His name's Peter.
What's her name? What's her name?
Her name's May. Her name's May. What's her name? What's her name?
Her name's Jenny. Her name's Jenny.
What's his name? What's his name?
His name's Tony. His name's Tony.
What's his name? Siapakah namanya? His name's Peter. Namanya Peter. We use his to refer to male. Kita menggunakan his yang bermaksud nya untuk merujuk kepada lelaki. What's her name? Siapakah namanya? Her name's May. Namanya May. We use her to refer to female. Kita menggunakan her yang bermaksud nya untuk merujuk kepada perempuan. Listen and repeat. Listen to the dialogue and repeat.
What's his name?
His name's Ben.
How old is he?
He's 7.
What's his favourite toy?
His favourite toy's his ball.
What's her name?
Her name's Lisa.
How old is she?
She's 6.
What's her favourite toy?
Her favourite toy's her doll.
Let's practice the sentences. Listen to the question and try to answer. Ready? What's her name? What's her name? What's his name? What's his name? How old is she? How old is she? How old is he? How old is he? What's her favorite toy? What's her favorite toy? What's his favorite toy? What's his favorite toy? It's time for homework. Take out your fun book, and for this activity, we need scissors and glue. Please refer to page 40 and cut out 3 on page 103. Cut and stick. Cut the correct strips in cut out 3 and stick them under the correct questions. Now look at number 1. What's his name? Siapakah namanya? Go to cut out 3 and cut the correct answer. The answer is his name's Ben. Now stick the answer strip to the correct box. Next, let's look at number 2. How old is he? Berapakah umur dia? Go to cut out 3. Let's find the correct answer. The answer is he's 7. Umur dia 7 tahun. Now stick the answer strip to the correct box. I want you to answer the rest of the questions by yourself. Good luck! Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye!